Hi! So, zippers, I'm not using it, but my coat's still held closed. I think it's about 10 degrees outside. Fahrenheit. So, I use buttons. Now I've lost buttons. So I've got mismatched buttons, and that's okay. And Velcro to help keep it from flapping open and the cold blowing in. Works real well. Now I can zip a zipper. It's just wildly inconvenient, and buttons are much easier. See? Look at that. No problem. My shirts all have buttons. I don't wear t-shirts. Except for like pajamas and stuff. My mother-in-law put these on for me. Thank you. So we all need to have, we all need to know a seamstress or be good with the sewing machine. So let's do the zipper, just to prove that, you know, it is doable. Some zippers are difficult, and once they start wearing, you know, once they wore out and become difficult, become problematic, yeah, just forget it. Come on. See, this one's almost brand new because I don't use it. There it goes. But, you know, I get a coat that's a size or two too big so that I can fit them over my bibs. And so that, you know, because this takes, you know, this distance here between the buttonhole and the button takes about a size out as well. So that, you know, the bibs and the button size, it works out more or less. Yeah, so buttons and Velcros are real good. I like to start in the middle. And down. And the top. Zipped up. And then the glove. Yeah, it's kind of handy to keep it in your pocket. There we go. Put a glove and take it off. Or take it off. Ta-da. Right, like so. Not all gloves work that way. Here's one that doesn't work quite so good. This is a little lighter glove. And you can see they get a lot of use. So these we'll grab and pull. And to take them off again between the legs. Alright. Zippers, buttons, and gloves. Buttons are good. Zippers are a pain. Alright. Keep making. Like, subscribe, comment. Alright. Have a good day.